Hey guys, this is Volker from Turtle Performance in Germany, balancing shop. I have a wonderful set of KeithBlack pistons here, and I got some brand new. It's a set, it's KB115030 over. They are from Summit Racing, and what I blame here is not Summit Racing. They are not responsible for that. When I got these pistons, they have been boxed new. You just see I started to balance them. The problem was that the pins have been always in the box. So I just polished them because I thought it was something strange on it. The point is, this is a pin that was inside the box. I can find to see the number somewhere. It's KB, whatever. It's a KeithBlack piston that was original in the box. This is a cheap wrist pin out of a set I had already. And here I have another set of pin. So it's not only one, there are several. So here's another one. The point is, when I boxed them out, when I unboxed them, I noticed that few of the pins have been very, very tough inside the bores. I pressed them out of the bore. I need to check now what one is it. Let's go straight in. I can push it through it, so the piston is okay. Every time the last millimeters. I have another piston here, so no one can blame the piston. Put it in. You see it goes straight to the piston, so everything is fine. Now I take another pin from KeithBlack. As said, I had to get them really hard out of the box, and I first thought that the piston may be wrong, but it isn't. When I enter this wrist pin inside the piston, now it starts to, that's the end. I can't get it deeper inside the piston. Try it from the other side. It slides in. That is the end. That's it, not more. And I had another one. I think it was this one. I'm not sure. I have several piston wrist pins here. Same. End of the party. That's it. I tried with another piston. Put it in. And that's it. I can't get deeper inside the piston, and the piston showed you it's the same. And then I thought, what is the reason? Then I found out the reason. I hope I can see it now. And it works while I try to build here. Dong. So I take an original piston from another company. And then have a look about this. It's not straight. I turn it around, and you see, now is the lamp in the middle of the piston. I can wriggle it. This wrist pin is not straight. And the other one I had also, I have to find it now. So I have a lot of piston wrist pins here. And you see this one, same. The wrist pin is not straight. Now you can see there is the light in the middle. There. So they sold me a set of pistons with not straight wrist pins. I wonder what happened when I call them up and ask them, hey guys, I need a set of new wrist pins. And now I need to change the wrist pins from another set of pistons I had. So that's what's going on. And said it's KeithBlack, brand new 030. There is this casting series, and there's KB115, brand new, no damage, nothing, polished inside, nothing else. So not nice for that price I pay for the pistons. Have a great day.